So West Ham away started. I had a hell of a journey just to get here, but we're outside Molineux. We're with the producer Balak and the young man himself, Chris. We're hoping for a great performance and 3 points, but big day for Bruno Lake.
About where we are. It's a long way up
it's
to
5:30 and we've just parked. The absolute traffic, absolute nightmare. It's almost like it's been stopping us from getting here. There's everything that could go wrong on the way down's gone wrong. And Bruno Lake has picked the team that he's picked. Neves playing in the middle of a back three. Got rid of Cody because he weren't going to play a back three. He's got 2 defenders. What does that send? Costa's on the bench. I'm just going to hope for my prediction 2-1. What are we going for scores?
5-4 Wolves.
5-4. We're on our way. We're going to be late in, but we probably won't miss
everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we love, it's not a long way to the spot.
Good delivery. 23 minutes in and the first substitution, Neto's off injured. We got Adama Traore on.
My down. Shoot then.
How easy is this? That was too easy, that was.
Come on, Adama.
Kilman again.
Squeeze him out.
Just as well we got what in. Why is he not in the England team? There's the half-time whistle, and we basically missed the first 10 minutes, which apparently was the best bit that Wolves played. Second half, West Ham got the goal, and Bruno Lake is really 45 minutes from probably being ex-Wolves manager. He's got to have the team talking like because the second half, well, what can I say, Costa in reserve, that's all he's got. Will he turn it? Wait and see. Half time 1-0 West Ham.
Come on! Shoot! Come on!
Ball! Shoot! So 2-0 down. 58 minutes. Guedes is coming on, you can hear the crowd. Diego Costa. Diego, come on! Make something happen.
Shoot!
Leave for them to shoot. Well,
No! Come on!
Costa's like it.
Come on, Adama. Put him running on. That's it. Have a shot of fuck's sake. Come on, the Wolf. In there.
72 minutes off. Nunes off, Campbell on, Shem Campbell. Semedo's coming off, he's had a decent game. And it's the other Traoré. Boubacar Traoré. Still 2-0. And Wolves have just had a goal disallowed for offside. If you use quality, you can see it. So it's the morning after the day before. What a crazy long day it was. We got in at 1 a.m. in the morning. All that effort from so much of the fan base to get down to the London Stadium. With the traffic was horrendous, the train strikes, all that sort of jazz, and even 10 minutes late getting in, which we're never late. And well, we come away, we've scored 3 goals in 8 games. 3 goals in 8 games, let that sink in. That's less than Burnley scored at the start of last season. They went down. He's playing world-class midfielders in the centre of defence. He's playing players out of position. In his mind, I'm sure that they think these are tactical masterstrokes. But the team, yeah, we play some okay football, but it's just, you know, and I don't dislike Bruno Lake, and I don't like saying it, but I put a tweet out on Always Wolves about thoughts on a picture of Bruno Lake, and I don't think there's one person that says, yeah, he shouldn't go. Fosun have got to make they've got to make a decisive decision, really, on this. How much longer than, I mean, you know, we've all been making excuses for him. Oh, this, he hasn't had the players, he's had the injuries, the strikers are injured and stuff like that. Neto's gone off injured now. I mean, the injury situation is just like every week we seem to be getting another injury. So there's something not right. There's something is not right at Wolves at the moment. It needs a reset. It needs, sadly, Bruno Lake, his time has run out for me. I just can't see how we go forward from this. A change has to be made. There's managers out there. Personally, I'd love to see him go for Lopetegui. He's like Sevilla. He did really well for Sevilla. You know, he'd probably jump at the chance to come to Wolves right now. He was their first option. Let's see what he can do. But whoever they bring in, you know, they truly can't be doing any worse. Bruno Lake, analytical, overthinks things, jumps in a car and goes back home every weekend, which is fine to his family and stuff like that in Portugal. But like, I'm not sure what the messages he's sending to the players. We've had all the upheaval with the players that he's bombed out. And there just doesn't seem to be any major plan. And to me, I don't know what you think after that yesterday. I can see that all the fans pretty much are just like, okay, see you, mate. You're just not good enough to manage in the Premier League. Let's bring someone in that is. Anyway, leave your thoughts. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog. A bit of my ramblings at the end here, but hey-ho. Extra time's going to be interesting Sunday evening, so make sure you tune into that and check out our instant fan reaction as well. And of course, don't forget to vote for us in the Football Content Awards to win Best Premier League Foncast in the final link in the description below. Cheers, guys. Always Wolves.